So today's the 26th. I've actually been at our house in town for the past couple days, packing and getting things ready for us to move out. But when Mike first uncovered the plants, he told me the only thing that was bad was the basil. We lost our basil crop. But when I came out last night, when I came back to the property, we lost a lot, more than we thought we did. I had 2 pallets of green beans that died. It looks like all my zucchini plants did not make it, except for maybe one, and we'll see. It's just not growing. There's my poor daisies. Our jalapeno plant. That's frost kill. That's what it looks like. It's just falling off. My peppers. Another pepper plant. Another pepper plant. Another pepper plant. Pepper plant. Now, amazingly enough, our tomato plant that we thought was going to die in the first place because it got knocked over in the wind, and we're not sure if the dog got a hold of it or not, but it actually started reviving itself, so we were very happy about that. But my poor little spaghetti squashes. Another pepper plant. My tomatoes didn't do too bad.
Yep. And those ones
pepper
didn't
plants
do it either,
got a
Mom.
couple, a little bit of damage, but I mean, not as much on those ones because those were double tarped.
And
look at another one. These were I think my red peppers or my yellow peppers. Here's the one I was so excited about. Look, there's my little green pepper.
it's still growing.
And
Mom.
everything else around it, completely dead. And the one that was over here, completely rotted away. Completely. I don't know how they'll come back after this, because
Mom, do you want to
I
see
don't
the
know if there
squash?
can be any comeback after this.
Mom, do you want to see the squash?
Yeah, I'm coming, baby. Hold on. More of our pepper plants. Just the damage is just...
That one's squash.
No, this is our basil. Look how
Is
bad.
this one squash?
No, this is also basil.
Is this one squash?
Basil. And they've all had... We just don't know what happened.
Oh,
It could have been...
where's the squash?
Could have been the cold. Could have been the amount of rain that we got in the course of 2 days. Just...
Wait, this one's the squash.
They're just gone.
More. This one's the squash, Mom.
Tell me, please, how do I fix this? How can I get these things to survive or to perk back up? Because I don't know if there is a way I can do it. I'm at a loss, and none of the books I'm reading are telling me what to do. So, but here's some of my extra plants I brought out from inside. Someone forgot to water them while I was gone, and he's very upset that he didn't. But
They're still wet.
yep. Dad gave you some Diet Pepsi with no caffeine. Good job. Okay. Well, that's the garden update on the frost. If you have any ideas,
Yeah.
comment below. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to perk these back up, I'd really appreciate the advice. I still have more plants at the house, but they're all, I want to say majority of them are my tomato plants. But I did lose all my green beans, all my cucumbers, a good majority of my pepper plants, my watermelon plants. Looks like I'm going to be losing half my squash plants. So advice would be welcome. And we'll see you again sometime. Bye.
Bye. I love you.